Shiba Inu coin investors, this has started yet again, and I think this is a really bullish signal for Shiba Inu. It's actually interesting because they're starting to fudge SHIB really, really hard. FX Street is a pretty interesting outlet. They cover SHIB, they cover a lot of TA, but they just put out an article to start the month, basically claiming that this is a red flag. You shouldn't buy SHIB. And in this video, we're going to talk about why this article is completely wrong and why this is actually an unbelievable opportunity. And you'll understand where I'm coming from as we get into the video. So appreciate you guys for stopping back by the channel. This has been an unbelievable week here at Consensus here in Austin, Texas. Just an unbelievable opportunity to meet so many people from, SHIB whales to people who literally founded Ethereum to people creating new startups to everything across the board. Meme coin enthusiasts, just the amount of people we've met coming to these events has just been phenomenal. So I know that I say this a lot, but if you guys get the opportunity, definitely come to these events. If you guys want to come with me to ETH Toronto, SHIB is going to be a main sponsor there. Use ZACH25, ZACH25 at checkout for the ETH Toronto website. That is the Blockchain Futures Conference, and you'll get 25% off your ticket. Myself, Oscar, Austin, a lot of us will be there. It's going to be an unbelievable conference. It's a great venue. So highly encourage you guys to check it out. So we're going to get into all the specifics, guys. Make sure you hit the like button for us. Subscribe down below. And you guys know the drill. Real quick before we get in, shout out to Kendu Inu. A lot of SHIB Army members popping over into Kendu. Look at Kendu making a run up towards 60 million again. This is the one that Satoshi Kusama followed really early on. I found this thing at like $1 million market cap because Satoshi was following them when they had like 300 people on their Twitter page. I don't know exactly why, but it's interesting nonetheless. And links will be down below to Kendu if you're interested in checking that out. So this is the headline, guys, that has me really thinking that this is a beautiful opportunity. The FUD masters are here. 3 reasons why meme coin enthusiasts need to stay away from Shiba Inu right now. It says Shiba Inu price continues to consolidate above the 197 and 273 level. Okay. I'll debunk that myth here in just a second. On-chain metrics reveal that investors are looking to book profits. Okay. And then SHIB holders need to decide between being patient or booking profits for a better entry. Now, I understand where they're coming from here. I get it, but I completely disagree. Anytime we see SHIB consolidate for long periods of time, throughout SHIB's history from August 2020, what do we see after long periods of consolidation? Oscar, what do we see? After long periods of consolidation, the longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakout, right? Because the bulls and the bears have met on a price point. When retail money starts pouring back in, boom, that's when we've seen the big blast off. Like we saw in March, we went up 100%, guys. Got back to 50% of the all-time high, right? So what's your take on just this overall kind of sentiment right now? I completely disagree. I completely disagree with this. What's your take?
I love it because it's going to allow more people to come in who understand the game. What's going on, guys? Oscar here. I mean, at some point, some of my community, know my story, how at the very beginning of 2021, I was like, Shiba Inu looks like a scam. I mean, what is this? TikTokers are talking about it in 2020. It was SafeMoon and Shiba Inu, super risky. How to buy Shiba Inu. I mean, people created like step by steps. It was just difficult,
Yeah.
The adoption when it comes to getting this token. Many people didn't know Uniswap. So there's always been a negative connotation to meme coins because if meme coins do poorly in the bottom, they will blame the ones at the top. They will blame Dogecoin, they will blame Shiba Inu, and even Pepe right now. Although Pepe is loved by many. So Shiba Inu, the reason why people are saying maybe not and stay away, because 1, they're not pumping right now yet, and 2, there's some other sector projects that they're saying, hey, just kind of look at this. They could also be biased too. I'm a holder. You're a holder. Many of us are holders. So you're looking into, as Zach mentioned here at Consensus, whales, builders, developers, VCs, and obviously the crypto employees who were here, and managers. Google was here, and all kinds of tech companies are into this Web3 evolution, of the internet. So I mean, we're extremely early and we just don't get it yet, but I will always, in a way, be bullish on SHIB.
And in general, guys, you want to buy. Appreciate that, brother.
Of course.
You want to buy when the sentiment is low. You don't want to buy when things are rocking and rolling and everybody's talking about it. This is the opportunity. When you start seeing stuff like this come out on any crypto, I've seen a lot of this happen because Oscar's right. A lot of people are chasing Pepe right now, which is great. I love Pepe. I'm an investor there too. WIF, Bonk, Pepe, BOEM, all of these other meme coins. People are forgetting about SHIB and Doge. When people are forgetting about them, passing over, talking about them as if they're, not good investments anymore, this is where you buy. And then you look like a genius when something like March happens and you go up 100% out of nowhere, and now everybody's talking about it. I want to keep saying this too. We are still waiting for retail demand to come back in crypto, guys. Keep in mind, there are 2 household names, maybe 3 with Pepe now, in the meme coin sector, that even people that aren't in crypto yet or were in crypto back in 2021, they've heard about Dogecoin. They've heard about Shiba Inu. I would venture to guess more of the novice, the average person you see walking on the street, they probably know Doge and SHIB more than Ethereum and Cardano. That's how big these brands are. That's how big I think how much money and how big these things will get once new capital comes back into the markets. Keep in mind, this is the same money recycling and resurfacing. That's why SHIB's kind of moving slower, why Dogecoin's moving slower right now, but that capital will come in and it'll rotate. And guess what? The people making money on Bonk and WIF right now, they'll come in and join the fund too. They'll pile on. This is why I think SHIB will see a $100 billion market cap in this bull cycle, and why I think right now is a phenomenal opportunity if you're looking for the next 12 to 15 months. I think a potential 4 to 5x here for SHIB is certainly on the table. And I think, obviously, the upside still exists too. If we get more insight and info on the burn mechanism, the built-in burn mechanism on Shibarium, and traffic there starts ramping up, all of a sudden, we start reducing supply. Look out. Things could get crazy, guys. Now, before we get out of here, I do want to just kind of highlight the overall market for you guys, give you guys some of my thoughts. We do see Jasmine making moves right now. Loving that. And Ondo Finance setting all-time highs again at $1.36. Let's go. And so those 2 right there, we've covered a lot on the channel here recently. And we also covered it on our live streams. We just were live for about an hour. Make sure you guys do subscribe so you don't miss out on those live streams. We do them basically every single day. It's been a little tough this week because, traveling and being at the conference and a lot of stuff going on. But once we get kind of back into, our regular day-to-day, we're going live quite a bit.
We need it.
Yeah. Now, I will say there is a little meme coin I'm watching. This is Marvin on base. They haven't launched yet. Kind of interesting. It is, being created by the Marvin team and a guy we just met here in Russ We Trust. So we'll see what they can do with this. I'm going to jump in just because Russ has been a guy that's made a ton of money in crypto, and I'm willing to take a chance here on this one. I'm not going to go all the way in, but could be very, very interesting. And full disclosure, I am working with them as a ambassador or whatever you want to call it, right? They are compensating me a little bit to help get the word out. As always, do your own due diligence, do your research, see if it's right for you. Don't just listen to me. I'm just a dude on YouTube, just a retail investor like you guys, trying to make the best plays possible. Don't always get it right, but when we win, we try to win big. And that will outweigh some of the losses in crypto because we will lose in crypto. It's just the nature of the beast. But that's how we make money, right? We speculate on things that could potentially get bigger and bigger down the line. And it's been an unbelievable opportunity for meme coins. So I think it's, really, really a good time here. We've seen Brett obviously going nuts. They're getting close to $1 billion market cap over on base. So I think the base chain in general is really, really solid right now, really big. And I think there's going to be room for some other big players. And we'll see what Marvin can do on base. So links down below to that one. Appreciate you guys for watching. Also, if you want to check out XT Algo, that's my trading indicator. If you want to trade on leverage, check out Margex. Links down below. No KYC right now. 20% sign-on bonus when you join me. Even if you don't want to make a bunch of trades right now, you want to wait for the market to kind of solidify itself and for you to know that, hey, we're going up from here, then you're ready to go. Just sign up today. That way you're ready to go. When you're ready to trade on Margex, you're doing so. You can copy the best traders. You can do so with my link down below in the description. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.